Let's say that I am doing a divestiture of a number of oil and gas leases, and I need to verify which ones have a consent to assign, and then also send off letters to those lessors requesting their consent. So first of all, I've got my file. You can see there's varying oil and gas leases that are attached herein of various styles. I'm going to upload this packet of leases. I'm going to ask it to review all these leases and provide the precise language that addresses assignments of the lease. I want to be able to see these for myself, which ones have consents to assign and what they look like. Looking at the analysis Rowland has provided me with an extract of the lease date, the parties associated with the lease, and the assignment clause that exists, as well as the location in the document as to where I can find it. I have the varying leases and their assignment language. I'm going to take this an additional step. I'm going to ask that for those require a lessor consent to use the information from the applicable oil and gas lease, draft letters requesting consent from the lessor. Keep it simple. I can see that Rowland is drafting the consent to assign letters that I would need to go to those lessors. It's used the information from the oil and gas lease to populate with the lessors, their address, subject line, and asks for consent based on the provision that exists inside the lease. It even highlighted the language that was found in the lease for that context. And it did the same with this letter. So here is Rowland taking what is normally a very tedious task and making it much easier and much faster.